Most boaters are dramatically underpowered when they think a single solar panel will run their fridge and navigation systems all weekend. That's why choosing the best solar power kit for your boat isn't just about picking the biggest number on the box. Whether you're a weekend sailor who just wants cold drinks or a liveaboard who needs a true off-grid setup, understanding which kits actually deliver under real marine conditions is crucial. Today, we're comparing the top solar kits on the market, from budget-friendly 100-watt trickle chargers to full-on 400-watt MPPT beasts, so you can make an informed choice without wasting money or roof space. We're diving into efficiency, durability, cost, and usability, comparing each system head-to-head so you know which one works best for your needs. Grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get into it. By the end, you'll know exactly which kit will keep your lights on, your fridge running, and your gadgets charged while you're lefted out at sea. All the links are in the description if you want to check the current prices after the video. Eco-worthy 400-watt, 12-volt premium solar panel kit, MPPT fixed. If you're serious about leaving shore power behind, the eco-worthy 400-watt, 12-volt premium kit is an absolute powerhouse, perfect for large cruisers or liveaboards who need reliable, high-output energy for fridges, water makers, and all those high-draw electronics that smaller kits simply can't handle. What makes it stand out is the 40-ampere MPPT charge controller, which maximizes the voltage-to-current conversion and boosts efficiency by up to 40% compared to PWM systems, giving you an impressive 1.6 kilowatt-hours per day, enough to keep everything running without second-guessing. On top of that, it includes a BT02 Bluetooth module for remote monitoring, so you can track panel voltage, battery state, and loads directly from your phone. A huge convenience for marine setups where battery compartments are tough to access. Compared to Renogy or other 400-watt options, EcoWorthy gives you both MPPT efficiency and Bluetooth monitoring at a slightly better price. But be aware, this is a big system requiring 4 panels, significant roof space, and marine-grade wiring, so it's not for small boats. With 35mm frame panels built to withstand salt, wind, and sun, this is the ultimate choice for the power-hungry sailor. But here's a question. If you had to pick, would you prioritize the MPPT efficiency or the remote monitoring convenience? Drop your thoughts in the comments. EcoWorthy 100-watt 12-volt solar panel kit, PWM, fixed. The EcoWorthy 100-watt 12-volt kit is your no-frills, entry-level solar solution. Perfect for small sailboats, center consoles, or weekend fishing boats that only need to keep their batteries healthy. This kit pairs a solid monocrystalline panel with a 30-amp PWM controller and all the essential installation gear, offering a simple set-it-and-forget-it setup for those who don't need heavy-duty output. With an output of roughly 400 to 500 watt-hours per day, it can handle LED cabin lights, a phone, or a small bilge pump, but it won't run a large fridge or autopilot system all day. Compared to the Topsolar kit, it lacks tilt adjustability, meaning you sacrifice a bit of potential efficiency, but it wins on brand recognition and robust construction, with corrosion-resistant aluminum and tempered glass designed for marine conditions. This kit is ideal for beginners or those who just need a reliable battery maintainer without breaking the bank. For budget-conscious boaters, it's a smart pick. Just remember, if your power demands grow, you'll need either a bigger wattage or an MPPT controller upgrade. So, do you value simplicity and low cost over higher power output? Let me know in the comments. Renogy 200 watts, 12 volts, monocrystalline RV solar panel kit, PWM fixed. For boaters who need a mid-range solution, the Renogy 200-watt 12-volt kit strikes the perfect balance between reliability, expandability, and ease of installation. With 2 100-watt monocrystalline panels and a 30-ampere Adventurer PWM charge controller, it produces around 800 watt-hours per day, enough for a weekend cruiser or coastal sailing without going overboard. While it's still a PWM system, the controller is elegantly designed for flush mounting inside your cabin, providing a clean, professional look compared to bulky boxes. The big advantage over other mid-range options is its expandability. You can add 2 more 100-watt panels later without changing the controller, giving you a path to double your power output. Compared to the eco-worthy 400-watt MPPT system, it's less powerful but far cheaper and simpler to install, making it a realistic starting point for most average-sized boats. When you weigh this against Bifacial or Topsolar kits, Renogy offers superior expandability, trusted brand reliability, and thoughtful installation features that make it a standout in the PWM category. So, would you rather start with a zero, smaller, expandable system, or go straight for full-on MPPT power? Share your choice below. DOKIO 100-watt portable foldable solar panel kit, PWM portable. The DOKIO 100-watt foldable kit is all about portability, flexibility, and easy storage. Perfect for small boats, dinghies, or kayaks that need temporary or on-the-go solar power. Unlike fixed systems, this ultra-lightweight panel folds into a compact package, can be easily repositioned to follow the sun, and includes built-in legs for optimal angle, boosting its 400 to 500 watt-hours per day output despite the PWM controller. It even offers dual USB outputs for direct device charging without an inverter, adding convenience for camping or emergency scenarios. However, the portability comes at a trade-off. Real-world output often falls short of the 100-watt rating, and the basic PWM controller means you'll get less efficiency compared to robust fixed panels like EcoWorthy or Renogy. Compared to Topsolar, DOKIO wins for temporary grab-and-go use, but loses for permanent, high-output installations. If you were out on the water today, would you choose the security of a permanent fixed panel or the flexibility of a foldable one? Comment your preference. Bifacial 200-watt solar panels kit, PWM, fixed. The Bifacial 200-watt kit is a fascinating option for tech-savvy boaters, boasting double-sided solar cells that capture sunlight from the front and reflections from the back, potentially boosting energy production by 10 to 30%. This is especially useful on reflective decks or near water, making it great for moderate cruising. The panel quality is top tier, ensuring durability and solid base level output, enough for running a small fridge and navigation electronics. The catch? It's paired with a basic PWM controller, severely limiting its real potential. Compared to Renogy's 200-watt PWM system, the theoretical gains are impressive, but in practice, the controller wastes much of the extra voltage, meaning you're paying for advanced panels without reaping full benefits. This kit is ideal for someone planning to upgrade to an MPPT controller later, or who has an installation with high reflectivity to take full advantage of bifacial tech. So here's the dilemma. Do you buy now and upgrade later, or spend more up front for a full MPPT system? Tell me what you'd do in the comments. Topsolar 100-watt 12-volt solar panel kit, PWM fixed with tilt. For beginners or budget-conscious boaters, the Topsolar 100-watt kit stands out for one simple reason: adjustable tilt brackets. Unlike most fixed kits, these brackets allow you to optimize panel angle toward the sun, boosting daily output by 20% or more. The panel itself is a durable monocrystalline unit with all necessary installation components, making it ideal for DIY setups. While the PWM controller limits maximum efficiency compared to MPPT systems, the tilt feature alone makes it an excellent value compared to similarly priced options like Renogy or EcoWorthy's 100-watt kits. Real world. Output typically maintains or slowly charges a 12-volt battery and can run light DC loads such as LED lights or small water pumps. This kit is perfect for first-time solar users or those wanting adjustable mounting versatility without high upfront costs. Would you choose performance or value for your first solar setup? Drop your thoughts below. Conclusion and call to action. From the 400-watt MPPT EcoWorthy for serious liveaboards to the budget-friendly Topsolar 100-watt with tilt adjustment, There's a perfect solar kit for every boat. Power-hungry cruiser? Eco-worthy 400 watts is unbeatable. Expandable mid-range upgrade? Renogy 200 watts offers a clean installation and growth potential. Budget beginner? Topsolar 100 watts gives maximum bang for your buck. Choosing comes down to your needs. Pure power, portability, or adjustable versatility. Which one would you put on your boat? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And check all links in the description to kick off your solar adventure today.